Please note that texting from Insight is an add-on feature. Click Reports. Click Client Reports. Click Client Listing. If you want to filter for a certain group of clients, use these filtering options. By default, all clients will be selected. Uncheck this box if you'd like everyone to receive a message regardless of their marketing preferences set in the client screen. Click Send Emails to pull up the email message editor. If you would like to attach a document, you can do so here. When you are ready to send, click Send. If you have a large volume of clients' email, make sure you check your email provider's daily sending limits to make sure all emails go out. If you have the texting add-on, you can click Send SMS to send a text. When you are ready for your message to go out, click Send. You can send as many texts as are allowed with your texting add-on package. We have now covered basic client filtering and one-time sending of emails and texts.